If you want to clear ChatGPT memory, this quick tutorial will walk you through the exact steps in just a few moments. Clearing memory can help reset what ChatGPT remembers about you, remove old preferences, and give you a cleaner start if the memory feature has stored things you no longer want it to use. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this one. Let's jump right in. First, open ChatGPT and look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see your profile area there, so go ahead and click on it. This opens the account menu where your settings are located. Next, click on Settings. This is where ChatGPT keeps your account options, personalization controls, and memory settings. Once the settings window opens, select Personalization. In the Personalization section, you'll find the options related to how ChatGPT remembers your preferences and past interactions. Now scroll down until you reach the Memory section, then click Manage. This takes you to the Memory Management page, where you can review anything ChatGPT has remembered about you. From here, look for the three dots menu. Click those three dots and then choose Delete All Memories. This is the option that clears everything ChatGPT has stored in memory, so if you want a full reset, this is the step to use. After you confirm the deletion, ChatGPT will remove the saved memories from your account. That means future chats will no longer use those remembered details, and you can start fresh with a clean slate. If you only wanted to remove certain memories, you could manage them individually before deleting everything, but for a full clear, delete all memories is the fastest method. And that's it. You've now cleared ChatGPT memory in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial saved you time, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful ChatGPT guides, software tips, and quick how-to tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.